Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to edit AI-generated videos in InVideo AI and customize them to create a more professional final video. First, open InVideo AI and go to the project you want to edit. Once your AI-generated video is ready, open it in the editor. You'll see different scenes, text, visuals, voiceover, and background music that you can modify. Before making changes, watch the complete video once so you know which parts need improvement. Start by reviewing the script. If the AI-generated narration contains unnecessary information or doesn't match your idea, edit the text and make it clearer. Next, move through each scene and check the visuals. If an image or video clip doesn't match the narration, replace it with a more relevant visual. You can also change the text displayed on the screen. Keep important
She's my
information
wife,
short,
so
readable, and easy for viewers to understand. Now check the AI voiceover. If you're not satisfied with the current voice, choose another available voice that better matches your topic and audience. After that, review the background music. If the music doesn't fit the mood of your video, replace it with a more suitable track or adjust its volume. Next, check the timing of each scene. Make sure the visuals appear at the right moment and that there aren't unnecessary pauses between sections.